Oh my god, rain is falling outside. I didn't even know. Anyways, hi dolls. So I am about to do a series of makeup looks for you guys, and at the end of the video you would realize what it is and I'll announce what it is, but stay tuned, watch the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and do this close up, so I hope you enjoy the view. Don't taking my purse too much, but anyways, first thing I'm going to do is conceal my eyes, or prime my eyes I should say. I'm going to use a concealer to prime my eyes. I'm going to use a lighter shade. You guys can hear the fan, I am so sorry. And now I'm going to set that with a translucent powder. Just so that the colors can blend well. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to put down is the crease color, and I'm going to use a matte pink color and lay that down in our crease. So I'm just going to put that all in your crease. And if you guys can see, I added some tape to the outer corner of my eyes because I wanted a bit of a sharp edge. Let's see how I like it. Alright, so that's that for the crease color. Next, I'm going to take a shimmery pink color with a bit of gold and add that to the overlay. Isn't that color beautiful? I'm going to blend out the crease a little after putting down that color. This is the key to good blended eyeshadow. As you go along, you blend. I'm going to add a darker pink to the outer corner. So for the portion, I'm going to use a pinky brown to add to our brow. Okay, so this is it for the eyes. For now, I am going to add foundation and conceal under my eyes and then come right back. Alright, so next I'm going to take out my eyeliner and line my lower lash line. Know that I have on my powders. And if you see anything weird on my skin like powder, I just tried on this powder and it's practical. My foundation. I love that. So yes, exactly. Now I'm going to set that with the same color that I put in the crease. And connect it to the upper portion. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm now going to line my eyes with a black liner, add lashes and mascara then. Okay, so this is where we're at now. I added lashes, mascara, and yeah, that's it. So now we're going to go on to the rest of it. Okay, so I'm going to do the lips, so I just get that out of the way. I'm going to use a pink liner and just line the lips. And now I'm going to add a pink lipstick. This is the perfect pink for this look. Now I'm going to add some blush. I'm sure you guys are facing the same problem. I'm going to let this dry and then come back with some slow-mo and finish the video. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Excuse the water on my face. I'll be coming back when it's dry. Okay, guys. So, as I said, this is the final look. And if you had not figured it out, this series is all about the monochrome look. So for the next couple of weeks, every Monday we're going to have monochrome. That's how you pronounce it, right? Y'all know I can't talk. Monochromatic Mondays. So today's look or today's color was pink, and everything that I used on my face except for my foundation obviously was pink. So my eyeshadows pink, my lips pink, my blush pink, my highlighter was pink. You did not see that. Yes, it was pink. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy monochromatic Mondays, and tell me if you like the idea and comment down below which color I should do. No, as a matter of fact, I'm going to put a poll up and you guys tell me which color I should do next. Tell me if you like this look. Let me know if you like this look down below in the comments. And yeah, this is the look for the first monochromatic Mondays. So I hope you guys enjoy. You know what to do, right? Share the video, like the video, comment down below, subscribe. Make sure that you are subscribed if you're seeing this. And yeah, it's Moya Lovely signing out. And remember to wear the best you for the world to see. Love you guys.